This week's invisible work is getting ready for going back to school.
Last week we did the Back to School Blitz. It's still available on demand. Go ahead and head on over to Organize 365. Get those printables, get prepared for your most productive fall ever. What I want to talk to you today about is setting up or possibly adding some red slash buckets to your Sunday basket, because red is the color of an apple, and an apple should remind you about teachers and school, and this is going to be our school color. So as you're getting all this different paperwork that is coming in the mail, or you're downloading it, filling it out for the school year, signing up for all the extracurricular activities, you may want to add another color into your Sunday basket. We do this in the workbox also. When you're in the active parenting years, you are doing #everything. And when you're doing that, you need a lot of space in your physical brain that is sitting on the counter for other people to be able to access and for you to be able to review and set yourself up for the week. So if you are drowning in school paperwork, consider adding another color into your Sunday basket this week.
The Sunday basket started as a simple idea over 20 years ago that saved my sanity when I had little itty bitty kids. And now it has become a habit that so many of you do every week to save you 5 hours. We are closing in on 6 million, but we are not there. We are at 5,923,750 hours saved. Almost 6 million. Will we hit 6 million next week, the week after? Have you been doing some math? How close do you think we're getting to that 6 million number?